Tutulong din ang gobyerno ng Bretanya sa mga mahihirap na naging biktima ng habagat sa Cainta, Rizal. Tiniyak ito ni British Ambassador Stephanie Lill na personal na bumisita sa nasabing bayan. Ang ulat mula kay George Bandola.
Nais makabuo ng isang kasunduan ng Cainta Local Government at ang British Embassy para siguruhin na ang kalagayan ng mga residente doon sa panahon ng kalamidad. Mga residenteng palagi ang naapektuhan ng matinding pagbaha lalo na matapos ang nakarang habagat. Pangako ni British Ambassador Stephen Lilly, tutulong ang British government sa abot ng makakaya nito.
Here, very well aware though of the difficulties that people face here following the flooding, and very aware of the efforts that the mayor is making to help those people. The mayor was telling me as we came in about the numbers of people who are still in evacuation centres. Obviously this is a very big challenge for the city, but the mayor, I think, is very much on top of that.
Inighayag naman ni Mayor Mon Ilagan na nananatiling 1,500 pamilyang nananatili sa 23 evacuation centers doon. Makaraan ang pagragsa ng matinding baha at mawala ng tahanan ng mga ito noong nakarang buwan.
We're still feeding them, we're still helping them. Some of the schools were not yet used. So again, the effects is that there will be a delay in the schools, in the taking up the examinations of our children. Of the students here in Cainta. Maybe they're still contemplating, they wanted to find out the effects of the Ondoy, the effects of the monsoon rains or the habagat more than a month ago, and trying to find out maybe in some ways they could be of help to the local government of Cainta.
Nais ni Ilagan na magkaroon ng mas maraming gamit at magkaroon ng mga bagong pamamaraan upang makatugon ito sa mga kalamidad. Binisita rin ng Ambassador Lilly ang isang Filipino-British community sa Cainta din. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.